How are you feeling in your physical body right now? Are you in a state of perfect health, or do you feel like there are some things your body needs to heal? This is Krishanti with Krishanti.com, and I'm so happy you're here and we can talk about everything under the sun related to wellness and intuition. And the number one thing to employ from my perspective and in my practice in healing your body is your intuition. It's built in and you're hardwired to take care of yourself and to know what your body needs, to know when something's wrong, and to know what to do to fix it. We all have intuition. We get so busy with our everyday lives, rushing from here to there and doing this, that, and the other, just shoving food in our mouths and like doing what we do, that oftentimes it becomes really easy to forget about that little pain or that weird thing that's off and just keep on going. That's ignoring your intuition. But when you really pay attention and you deepen in, let's say you feel a sensation that tells you something is not right with your body and you know your body is not in a state of perfect health, take a time out, go within, meditate, and listen and just like, what's going on? And try not to be afraid. Just let your body speak to you. Now, that's one very specific way you can use your intuition, through meditation. I've got tons at Krishanti.com if you want to check that out, guided meditations. But intuition also works on the go and in action. So if you make it your priority to let your intuition lead you towards what will heal your body, it absolutely will. You just set that intention. And then you'll notice where your intuition leads you. Like, what foods do you gravitate towards? What kind of articles are you looking up online about health? What kinds of exercise are you doing? What types of healing modalities speak to you? You will just naturally gravitate towards it when you use your intuition. And that's the small, still, quiet voice. And I would have to say, as a caveat too, let your intuition guide you when you're with the doctors, because not all doctors use their own intuition when they're working on your body. So what you want to do is use your intuition and help guide the doctors to do what your gut is telling you is right for you. Because they will do all kinds of anything, exploratory surgeries, cutting you up and all this stuff, because they can bill and make more money or whatever it is that they need to do that may not be in your best interest. So just set the intention and your intuition will just start to guide you. It's fantastic the way it works. An example of this, I can't tell you how many clients I've worked with over the past 15, 20 years who have told me they've had this feeling. They've asked me to check it out for them in readings too, like something's not right in their body. They'll go get a scan and catch cancer at stage 1. Whereas if they ignored it, it would have grown, exponentially and become something much worse. So pay attention to those gut feelings and those little messages you get, because they are guiding you towards a state of health. Now, the second thing that I really think is important with healing the body, because of the work that I do and what I see with clients and in the field, is energy healing. And my favorite form of energy healing is the Bengston method. I'm co-hosting a Bengston workshop in February of 2024. So check it out at Krishanti.com if you'd like to attend. It is an incredible system. It was scientifically proven, and Bill Bengston, who created the system, tested it for years in laboratories. There are papers written about it. It's very well documented that it works. And the system itself is, you can cycle and do image cycling and do the Bengston method to heal other people and animals and plants. But you can also do it just for fun, just for yourself, and it works beautifully. Now, I'm partial to Bengston because I've seen it work. I've worked with clients with cancer. I worked on babies who needed tubes in their ears that didn't have to get it after I did a Bengston treatment. I've worked with a lot of people on this, and it's so great. But if there is another method that you really like, by all means, follow that. Your intuition will guide you to the right method. I've always loved acupuncture and acupressure and herbs. So that's my intuition telling me my body really does heal with that type of medicine. And it has healed with that type of medicine in the past. So if you're interested in Bengtson, it's off the charts phenomenal. But otherwise, I encourage you to just follow your own energy. The body is made of energy. So it makes sense that if we utilize and drum up energy and apply it to the body, or clear the body of dense energies and bring in more light energies, the body will heal. It's so cool the way it works. And the third thing that's really important and basic, that it's so basic I don't know that a lot of people talk about it, is simply awareness. Be awareness of what is going on in the health field. Awareness of how the body works. You don't have to be a medical doctor to research the functions of the body. And there are so many incredible teachers out there now with free podcasts and websites and loads of information to inform you and help you stay on top of what's going on. And the more that you are aware of how the body works, I mean, a bunch of us don't even know. I mean, I don't really know. I did not study medicine. I don't have an MD. I studied art history. So my field of expertise isn't in the infrastructure of the body, but I educate myself, and clients that I work with who are healing their body research and look up things and listen and pay attention. And again, the more aware you are, the more your intuition is going to be aware of what's out there to draw in what your body needs to heal. So those are three basic things. If you're interested in Bengtson, we would love to have you come in February 2024. I'll put the link below. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for being here, and I will see you later. Bye.